The Constitutional Rights Forum today organized a rally to protest the universal vaccination on COVID-19 in clinical trial on children at William Point in Tura. The rally was organized by Grinit M. Sangma, President of Constitutional Rights Forum. The rally was attended by citizens belonging to different sections of the society. Speaking on the occasion, Sangma said COVID-19 vaccination has violated the fundamental rights of the people. After the meeting, the forum submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Commissioner of West Garo Hills District.
Vaccine susan antang pampo ke masuk. Resign kata jobo jos bisa ko application simang sen kata wanda ka po busongiya. Tau banga school bisarang admission manjanga. Student ang college admission manjanga main asal vaccine susan issue. Dao drana manjanen ba bisongara ham chide anchiko drawinga. Kes sigat po ni ko sa kodanga photo evidence unggenenda. Nasimang riyan ibo bebel ajang ode angan nasimang altubat ko kami sukat na skiya all girls nukma association general secretary Charles vaccine suali jamano parala sunggo doktor ko gumba phalangon chakat mat kuja gablo saksami chikma ben boy sia sajo tungo sakni donga vaccine suali mangna wal parasi yang sikap kan orang jok